they're not doing what they need to be doing. They need to go back to the drawing board. They need to take notes from Sensational, from Outre, from everybody and their mother. You got to consider, if you're going outside, your hair is blowing in the wind or something like that, and you see this mess, this dense mess that's under here, you're going to be feeling subconscious. So I'm just not here for that.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, plus you gon' get right with the heavy respect. Como se dice, se pato o plomo, but taking it easy like poco a poco.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the Bobbi Boss collection. I'm wearing it in the style MLF653 Adelyn in the color number TF1B/PSTPR. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does come with a 5-inch center lace HD lace parting space. It does come with baby hairs. I will absolutely not say that this unit is pre-plucked. It is doing the absolute bare minimum. Let me just come in and show you guys what this hairline is looking like, because honey, so as y'all can see, this unit is doing the absolute least. Like, girl, this one has very minimal lace, so even if you want to go in and try to pluck this hairline out some, it's a little bit difficult. It's kind of impossible. Hairline is kind of dense, as you could see. You could try to fake it till you make it, like I did with this little swoops, but this is not giving me what I need for it to be giving me. I'm just kind of overall disappointed with this unit, honestly. I feel like, in my own opinion, if the hairline is not good on the unit is just not good. The curl pattern, the texture, and all the other stuff can be beautiful, but if the hairline is not workable, even if it's not pre-plucked, I don't think this hairline is necessarily workable. I think you can kind of go in and maybe plug it out a little bit more, but I really don't see there being much room to grow from this unit. They're not doing what they need to be doing. They need to go back to the drawing board. They need to take notes from Sensational, from Outre, from everybody and their mother. So the cap size on this one, no surprise, y'all, this is going to be small, medium head friendly. I would not say that this one is big head friendly. There's not really much stretch to the cap. My head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and this unit is fitting me pretty snug. It's not uncomfortable or anything like that, but I absolutely do think if your head is any bit bigger than mine, this one will absolutely be an issue for you, and you're probably going to be worrying about it sliding back and all that jazz. So I definitely would not say this unit is big head friendly. As far as the texture is not bad, but as I always say to you guys, you know, I always lean more towards yaki units. They're easier to manipulate. I feel like they last much longer. This one, I wouldn't say that it's fully silky, but I absolutely would not say it's yaki. This one's probably like 80% silky and like 20% yaki, if that makes sense. So it's not silky all the way throughout. It got some like, it got a little bit of kink in there, a little bit of body in there. I didn't get any shedding. I did get some tangling, but definitely nothing too crazy. I'm 5'3" for reference, and the length is coming right here. So the length is definitely pretty nice. It's coming right above my boobs, so kind of a natural length for sure. The density on it, this is all the hair to the front, and the density is very nice. I'm not feeling any tracks or anything like that, so that's super good. The density is feeling like it's about 150%, so definitely right in the middle. I just want to come in and show you guys this color blend. I'm not really sure how I feel about it, honestly. I mean, it's kind of beautiful, but I'm kind of torn by it. Like, I really, really dig this dark blue color. I kind of like this reddish color, but then it's kind of, I don't know, like the yellow is giving me a little bit ketchup mustard vibes, if that makes sense. Like, I don't feel like I'm feeling it on myself. So this unit is also heat safe. It doesn't say up to what degree, so I think to just be safe, I'd probably stay around like maybe like 320 degrees or something like that to be on the safe side. But it did have some humpage going on. I did just go in with my wax stick to make it adhere down to the way that I wanted it to, and it is laying pretty flat, thankfully. And I did also go in with my bristle brush and just brush it right down, and I feel like that was pretty good to go. So let me just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number one con with this unit is going to be the hairline. Like I said, in my opinion, I kind of don't really feel like it's salvageable. If you're somebody who's not really extra, I guess, with your wigs, and like a hairline is not super important to you, then this probably will not affect you. But honey, I feel like a lot of us, like, we need, number one, at least myself, I need my hairline to be on point. Like, even if the hair quality itself is trash, I can make something work if the hairline is not trash, if the hairline is actually workable. And like I said, I don't feel like this hairline is workable, and that is honestly my biggest letdown when it comes to this unit. Another con is probably going to be the fact that, like I said, it's not big head friendly, it's more small to medium head friendly, and like I said, it's fitting my head pretty comfortably. But I also could see this one possibly sliding back some, especially because I only use my bold hold spray, and I think throughout the day I could absolutely see this kind of sliding back some. So I'm kind of really not here for the actual cap size of this unit. I mean, I guess those are my only cons, but to me those are super big important cons, and enough for me to never pick this unit up again specifically for that. My pros on this unit are, I do like the fact that the color stands out so well. It's like very metallic-y, very pastel-y. I do like the way that the color was executed. I'm not necessarily a fan of the color itself. I think I would have absolutely loved this if it was just this blue color or just this reddish color. I do like the concentration of the color, and I feel like it was executed in a good way. The actual curl pattern is nice. The hair quality feels pretty good. This is probably actually one that I would say you can get away with wearing every day. Texture is good, quality is good, density is good, body wave is good. I think as a whole, it's an okay unit. If you're willing to sacrifice having a good hairline, then I would say go for it. But other than that, I mean, like I said, I wouldn't pick it up. It's all personal preference. If y'all like it, you can get it. If you don't, then don't, because like I said, I wouldn't get it again. And that's why I'm coming to y'all, because the stock card, I mean, honestly, it looks pretty much like the stock card. The stock card is not deceiving at all. I thought maybe she didn't take advantage of the baby hairs and everything, but I think what's happening is the hair is just falling over the hairline, and that's just not really being paid attention to. But like, you got to consider, if you're going outside, your hair is blowing in the wind or something like that, and you see this mess, this dense mess that's under here, you're gonna just be feeling subconscious. So I'm just not here for that. But that's pretty much what I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.